Alright, hello everyone. So we're going to be covering the three keys to Shopify success and getting success with your e-commerce store. So the three main keys to success on a Shopify store is your niche, um, your promotional methods, and your website. So these are the three main categories you want to nail down. Of course, within each one, you can have a whole load more categories. I'll be covering this in future videos, but today we're just going to give a general idea so you know what you need to actually get started. So this is my Facebook page, and just make sure you join I create a Shopify group. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be creating private training videos for people who join. I've just created this group now. So if you get it in time, I will also subscribe you to my email list, and I'll be able to send you videos, and also they're going to be inside the group. Anyway, so alright, so the first part is your niche when you do your niche research. So there's actually an order priority that you want to follow. Different people have different orders, but this is what I think works well, and some other Shopify experts. So what you want to do is, obviously, you want to start with your niche research, and then what I recommend is just create an MVP website and ads. So what you want to do is, MVP stands for minimum viable product, but it's just the mentality that you want to apply to creating a Shopify store. So you don't spend 2 weeks on a Shopify store or 1 month on research and then wait another 2 weeks on ads, because that's you're just wasting a lot of time doing that. So what you want to do is move quickly. So move and test quickly. So to stop wasting time. That's one of the main mistakes people make, that they spend too long on niche research. They wait really they spend like weeks on the website, and then they run ads and realize, oh, it's not working. So imagine you just quickly did niche research in, let's say, a day or two, and then very quickly made your website, a minimum viable website, made that in a couple hours, less than a day. So imagine you did all this in 3 days, 3-day time frame, as opposed to a less time frame, and then realizing it's actually no idea what just happened. Oh man. But yeah, essentially that's just what you want to do. You want to test quickly so that you don't mess up your order priority, and that way you're not wasting time. You can quickly move on to new niches if it's not working. I think the color scheme just messed up. Let's see. Nope, it's still running. Okay, so that's how you wanna. That's the attitude you want to bring to creating a Shopify store, is move and test quickly. And also, so I've talked about the website and the niche. You want to create that quickly. And then for the ads, what you want to do is don't spend a lot of time on your ads when you're starting out. So make ads quickly, get them approved, get reach data, and then make bigger decisions. This way, instead of spending a lot of time making ads, making sure everything is right. Imagine you just made an ad and then you realized, all right, so you're not even getting any reach. So you don't really want to waste time like that, because it takes up a lot of time. So the main thing you want to do is spend less time on everything to begin with, and later on, once you got some data, you can spend more time on that. So make a campaign quickly, and then once you have data, let's say 1,000 reach, 2,000 engagements, something like that, you can then make another campaign retargeting those people, and then spend a little bit more time on that. But still, you always want to make your ads quickly so you can get them approved. Get your data quickly. That way you don't waste time. So we can literally do all this in 2 to 3 days, as opposed to 2 months. So step 4 is do what takes people 2 months in 3 days. Actually, probably 2 to 3 months in 2 to 3 days. Yeah, it might cost a little bit of money, so of course the domain, but Shopify has a free trial, so you can literally get it all done. You can get all the testing done within the free trial, and that's how you want to approach your store. So if you can get the testing done within your free trial, you could literally within a week you'll have a very good idea of what you should do next. See, and also right here, downhill versus uphill, what you want to have is you want to have a downhill movement where all the ads you create actually bring in success. So you're not selling a product that has no demand, low uniqueness, and is not trendy at all. So for those products, you're literally gonna be fighting an uphill battle by selling products that are way too popular. You're gonna fight uphill battle with a lot of people. Instead, what you want to do is you want to fight a downhill battle, and literally, so everything has to roll in nicely for you. If it's taking you like $10-20 to sell I don't know, a $5 product, and obviously you're fighting an uphill battle there. So it's pretty simple. So these are the 3 keys. Make sure you have your priorities in place and use the MVP method to quickly get products out, quickly get your website out, ads out, everything in 2 to 5 days maybe. Just very quickly. Don't spend months on your website. Don't spend a lot of time on your ads to begin with. And once you have data, you can move a lot faster. So I'm gonna be posting a checklist in the group. So once you join the group, it's gonna sign you up to my email list. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So literally just signs you up to my email list, and you'll get your files within here. So yeah, it's pretty simple actually. And also make sure you follow my Instagram. I'll have the links in the description to join this group. I also have the Facebook advertising group if you want to join that. It's called the Facebook Ads Super Mastermind. That's the if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can join this one. Otherwise, you can just stick to the Shopify group, and links are definitely in the description. This is my Instagram account. Okay, so this checklist is very important. Make sure you have your order priority in place. And I'm gonna be covering these in a lot more detail because there's a lot to it. I mean, literally each one of these variables probably takes like 2 to 5 videos to actually cover in detail. But as long as you have the general idea, it should be alright. One thing you want to look at for niche research is the VRIN score. You can Google that. It's very important that you have a high VRIN score. Basically, it just means how you're basically you're taking all these words and just putting into a score so that you know how good your niche is. Anyway, that's for another video. So this is all there is for now. Test quickly, don't waste time. Make your ads quickly, get them approved, get reach data quick, spend less time to begin with. Do what takes people 2 to 3 months in 2 to 3 days, and you'll save a lot of time. So within 1 month you could have tried 5 stores and only 1 works, but that's all you need. You just need that 1 to work, and that's it. And even in that 1 month, you got more success than someone that takes 2 to 3 months to do just stores. So yeah, that's all there is for now. So yeah, just join the group for now. That's literally all you gotta do, so that you can get the checklist files and not waste any more time on your stores. All right.